Hey, just wanted to show you guys what we do after a low moisture cleaning to make it dry so quickly and look like new. As you can see, there's where I cleaned, and then there's where I did some grooming. So we do a post grooming on the carpet. It sets the fibers in a proper direction, as well as fluffs it out so it will dry much quicker. Anyway, here's what we do. I'm going to do this one-handed, so bear with me. And that looks beautiful. So, see where I did? Look at that. And then what we didn't do. Looks like new up there. Not yet. But there you have it. Carpet grooming. Bristol clean.